Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out Hansen's Insta-Dry nail polish. Let's get started. So the color I'm using today is Shaking Sherbet, and it's number 355. So on the back it says that this nail polish is made for one stroke, one coat, and that it will take only 60 seconds to dry. So I'm going to try that out and I'm going to let you know if it really does dry that quickly. So based on first impressions, this nail polish is actually really watery, and that makes it where you have to use a lot less to cover your nail. A little bit goes a long way with this kind of nail polish. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to tell you if it really does dry as instantly as it says it does. So this is supposed to be one stroke, one coat nail polish, which is where you only have to do one coat and it's finished. However, this is how it looks after one coat. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do one more just to make it more solid. So here's how they look all finished, and I definitely will need to go in there with a toothpick and just clean off the edges a little bit to make it look more professional looking. So now I'm just going to wait the 60 seconds like the bottle says with how long it takes to dry, and then I'll let you see how it looks. So it's been just a little over 60 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and touch the nails and see if they've dried completely like the nail polish says that they will. So I'm just going to rub my finger over them. And they are actually dry. So the Insta-Dry nail polish does actually dry in 60 seconds. So I am actually going to let these dry a little longer before I actually start doing normal everyday activities, because they do still feel like they're a little wet and not prepared. But overall, they do really dry in 60 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this product review and testing out this nail polish with me. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also let me know if you'd like to see more of these. Thank you.